Hello everyone and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you this lovely ID.4 GTX Max we've currently got for sale, finished in the gorgeous King's Red metallic paintwork. It features the 299 PS version of the battery with the all-wheel drive system as well, giving you a combined range of up to 288 miles. Being in a previous car from ourselves, we'll get the remainder of the 3-year manufacturer warranty, 2 years roadside assistance, 2 years MOT cover and much more. If you needed more information throughout the video, please call us on 01270 864 452. So at the front you've got these fantastic IQ Matrix LED headlights, providing absolute fantastic vision in all conditions, also your higher beam assist as well. Down the side of the car you've got the optically fitted 21-inch Narvik diamond cut alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. Power folding heating mirrors to the side, as well as privacy guards on the B-pillar backwards as well, aiding in sun protection. Just going to jump into the rear of the vehicle now. Got the gorgeous signature GTX interior, the part suede, part leather interior. So the blue leather on the door cards with the red stitching. It's got contrasting white stitching on the seats as well. You've got a centre armrest there with a couple of cup holders and a couple of USB ports in the back there as well, so your rear passengers will be more than happy. And that gorgeous glass roof there as well, letting plenty of light into the cabin. Just moving around to the rear of the vehicle. Got a huge amount of boot space on offer. Got split folding seats as well. So you can fold these down to provide even more room for luggage such as suitcases or any golf clubs. You've got a low through hatch as well, pass any longer items straight through. This car's also fitted with the optional tow bar as well. You'll press the button, now it comes. It's an absolutely fantastic option to have if you want to attach a bike rack to it. Electric tailgate on this car as well for extra convenience. You can also open that with the key fob as well. Just jumping into the front of the vehicle now. You've got your pause and play accelerator and brake pedals. With the Ergo Active seats. The memory function, also massage function, full electric to get nice and comfortable on the road. ID badging just on the top of the seats there. A closer look at that lovely leather. Also the piano black gloss trim. A huge infotainment system and that touchscreen steering wheel as well, your multi-functions. And that concludes the 360 walk around. I'm going to jump behind the wheel in a moment and go through some of the interior functions. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do click the button below for more content. Just behind the wheel now, you've got touch sensitive buttons. You've got your adaptive cruise control on your left hand side, and the right hand side controls information on that digital display. You've got gear selector just at the top there. Your headlight controls, this car's also fitted with the climate windscreens, fantastic especially during winter to help you defrost quicker. Mirror controls and also your window switches there as well. Not sure if it comes across on camera, you do have head up display on this car as well, showing all your drift and driving data there. You can have the augmented satellite navigation available there. Just moving into the touchscreen infotainment system, you've got digital radios, you've got plenty of storage for your favourite stations. Got a huge range of options to choose from there, keep you entertained even on those long journeys. Got multiple media inputs on offer as well, so got multiple USB ports dotted around the cabin, and of course your Bluetooth connectivity to keep you connected to your phone calls and also your music streaming. Got satellite navigation there, spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. Fantastic system to have. It's got a speed limit display. It also shows points of interest such as car parks, restaurants and much more. Alongside this, you've got the brilliant App Connect system as well, giving you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This allows you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. It's an absolutely fantastic option to have, especially if you prefer to use Google Maps over the inbuilt navigation system. Got multiple views on the home screen there. And just moving on to the vehicle functions. Got a huge range of vehicle settings in here. You can either operate the sun blind as well for the roof, just by controlling the screen, just by dragging that bar across there, so you can have it to where you want it to be. You can also use the touchscreen sensitive button just on the roof panel as well. Got the ambient lighting colour system fitted to this car. It's got a huge range of different colour themes to choose from. You can also have the individual setting as well and adjust the brightness. It really does uplift the interior while driving at night, make it a really nice place to sit. Got all round cameras fitted to this car. So you've got a front camera, got side cameras as well, nicely built into the wing mirrors, and multiple rear view camera options as well, with your tow bar set in there, and also a wide angle lens. So you've got absolutely fantastic vision all around the car. Got dual zone climate control to keep the driver front passenger happy at all times. Nicely to operate. We can also use this touchscreen just on the bar there. Got heated front seats for extra comfort, especially during winter. Also a heated steering wheel function as well. Again, really nice for those cold mornings. Got all your latest safety systems on board as well to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times. Got city emergency braking, you've got a lane assist there as well. Also different driving modes, you've got eco to save a little bit more battery range. You've got sport setting for a more dynamic drive. You've got individual setting as well for blended different driving modes. You can adjust suspension with the dynamic chassis control there. You can have comfort setting, you can have slightly heavier steering with a sport setting for example. So absolutely loads of adjustability there, so you can really customise the car and how you want to drive it. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got a couple of cup holders there. And just running down the centre, you've got a little bit more storage. You've got wireless phone charging, a couple more USB ports as well, so you can charge multiple devices on the go for extra convenience. So it really is absolutely fantastic, well-equipped car, this ID.4. It's got absolutely loaded with features. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this car or would like to book in for a test drive and go through the car in more detail, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team on 01270 864 452. They'll be more than happy to assist further. Don't forget to ask about flexible finance options on this car as well. Once again, thanks very much for watching and take care.